Welcome little chess champs. We are going to divide into understanding queen side and king side in chess. This is the invisible line. This line helps us to see where each side special pieces goes. Queen side. The queen side is the side of the board where both queen sits. So the white queen start on the white queen side and the black queen start on the black queen side. Similar to the king side. Now the king side is where the both king sits. The white king starts on the white king side and black king start on the black king side. Here fun way to remember it. The white king side is always right side for white players and black king is always on left side for black player. And guess what? No matter where the kings and queens move during the game, the setup always stays the same. That's how the queen side and king side works in chess. Now you can set up your board like a pro. Happy playing.